Hey bitches, this is Elle and welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing the Southwestern, the aka PENDLETON, just can't say it. Everything that I use in this video will be down below in the description box. This template can be found on my website. Just look for Southwestern. Like I said, it's down below. What you see me here doing is numbering. I will be going over 2 different ways to number at the end of this tutorial. So there's 2 ways I've done this. The OG method and the Tumblertape method. This is the Tumblertape method. This is the work smarter, not harder. I am using a Sharpie, numbering. I find using a worn Sharpie, not a new one, your numbering will stay on the Tumblertape. Anywho, I will also link down below in the description box a Tumblertape tutorial so you guys can check that out. The other way is cutting this template out on removable vinyl, wrapping your tumbler with the removable vinyl, numbering it, and then using Mod Podge glitter glue tack it to apply your glitter. You do not have to do this with Tumblertape, but that's what we did live. Once you get it numbered, you get into glittering. So let's get it. There's the guide you just saw real quickly right there. Yes, I have this going pretty fast because it's really self-explanatory after you lay your numbers down. You're going to get your 5 glitter colors and you're going to go darkest to lightest. So that is what I'm doing. I am removing all of my number 2s, I think it is. And I'm going to go in with my darkest color, which is like a gunmetal gray. All of these glitters are listed down below as well, even with a little discount code. Once you get all your number 2s removed, then you go in with your glitter and you let it rip. You just dump it and you rub it in gently, like I'm doing right there. And you repeat this over and over and over again until your Tumblertape is covered and your template is complete. Dry brushing all that excess, and now we're going to go straight into the next color. I do it this way for my brain. Some people can do it without numbering and by sight, by memory. This is just the way I do it. So many are intimidated, and a lot of people have created these after watching one of my tutorials. So I'm always told, Elle, the way you're repetitive, the way you explain things, it just clicks. So I'm going to speed the rest of the glittering process up, and then we're going to get into the final product, what I'm going to do next, and I'm going to go over 2 different ways that I number using 4 glitters or 5 glitters. So let's speed this bitch up. Real quick, I always like to add a white, no matter what color I'm doing. I was going to go in with a gold, and last minute I switched it to like this light ivory. I just had to add that. Alright bitches, and this is what it looks like completed. I love it. If you want to, yes, I slowed it down. You can do a second coat using whatever adhesive it is you use, but I'm not. I'm going to go straight into 2 coats of epoxy. Then I will stripe it using vinyl or nail tape. We'll seal, and then final coats. You'll just have to stay tuned for the finished product. I just love this technique. But now, bitches, let's get into the hard part. The numbering. Alright, bitches, I'm going to ramble, but at the end, after I show how I number, there will be a still photo. So I took my template and I printed it on my printer so I can do this. All you have to do is print it. The first line straight up and down in the middle is the hardest. Once you get this line, it's all going to make sense. The Southwestern is a bougie X with horizontal lines. If I took away the horizontal lines, this would be a bougie X. So let's look at the middle. We have 2 1s in that diamond. Above that and below those 2 1s is the same exact number. What you're going to have is a diamond on the front, and when it meets up on the back, you're going to have diamonds on the back. So we have my 1s in the middle, and this is 5 color glitter. This is 5 different colors. Now we're going to go around the 1, and we're going to put our 2. We're going to line up with the 3. We're going to go around our 2s, making a diamond. Here's the 4s, making a diamond. This is it. You're going to repeat it over and over again. Now we're going to go up to our 5, follow our 4s all the way around. Then once we get done with our 5s, we're literally going to start over. I'm going to wait. I'm not going to get ahead of myself. Let's get these 5s done. Whoop, whoop. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, like I do in my live. Now we're going to go back to 1. There's the 1 at the tip top. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, down. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. You're stacking the numbers in numerical order, creating diamonds. And you're going to do the same thing. 2, 2, 2, 2. Once you get your 2s laid out, you're going to do 3s. Once you get your 3s laid out, you're going to do 4s. Once you get your 4s laid out, you're going to do your 5s, and then it's going to be complete. So let's speed it up, bitches. All right, bitches, that was 5 glitter colors. This one is 4 glitter colors. It is the same exact thing, minus 1 glitter. I don't know what the hell I was doing, but I was doing something. Oh, I was cutting the Southwestern so we can complete it. Same thing. We're going to start down the middle. 2, 1, 1, 4, 4. And I still get confused. 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Same numbers that are up top are going to go down the bottom. Once we get this filled, then we're going to start our diamond. We're going to find our 2 above that center diamond where the 2 1s are. We're going to go around. There's a diamond. 3. There's a diamond. 4s. You're going to create your diamond. Once you have your 4s done, it's time to start over with number 1. So, let's get the 4s done. You're done. You're going to go up to the next row. That is going to be your 1s. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. All the way around. Then you're going to do your 2s, your 3s, your 4s again. Super simple. This template can also be resized to a 30 ounce, resized to a 16 ounce. Hell, they even make 40 ounce skinnies. It can be resized to a 40 ounce. Look, I know it's intimidating. That's why I'm here giving you guys this guide. But if you've never tried it, you have got to at least give it a try once. And see, I still mess up. I still mess up. But I'm going to speed this up. And yeah, I'll have the picture posted at the end so you guys can screenshot. Oh, and sorry about Harley. She had to come visit. But all right, get your phones ready, bitches. Here is for 5 glitter colors, and here is for 4. I really hope this helped. Please like, subscribe, and share.